Alright, so added a couple little manual things that'll make it fun. We can now move this center position, so those guys are all moving there. We'll move that center position over here. Hey! We can also move an individual particle. I've got one particle I can move, so we can move him over here. Check what happens if we change his direction. Again, curve in. Everybody comes over here. That's kind of cool. So this is something like the Boyd stuff will start to look like as the flock tries to maintain flockness as it moves. Good example of it. Yay, fun stuff.